Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, November 14th. Room for one more. Another cruise line will visit Carnival's Celebration Key next year as Princess Cruises will head to the Bahamian destination in Grand Bahama Island. The Star Princess will make the inaugural call on November 1st, followed by 5 more Princess ships through 2028. Now, the move is part of Princess's biggest Caribbean expansion yet, with 187 departures across 9 ports. They're also planning 22 Panama Canal cruises with options from Port Everglades, Los Angeles, Vancouver, and Port Canaveral. Celebration Key opened in July to Carnival Cruise Line. And the Manhattan Cruise Terminal is set for a major overhaul. The New York City Economic Development Corporation has released a master plan to modernize the West Side Terminal. That's replacing 90-year-old cruise piers. The redesigned space will accommodate 3 large ships at one time, including vessels carrying up to 8,000 passengers. During the revamp, $20 million will be placed into shore power to reduce emissions. Over 1.5 million cruise passengers went through New York City last year alone. And MSC Cruises is expanding its world-class fleet with 2 more ships set to launch in 2030 and 2031. The $3.5 billion order was placed at a shipyard this past week while they were marking the construction milestone for MSC World Asia and MSC World Atlantic. The world-class lineup already includes MSC World Europa and MSC World America, with 4 more ships now in the pipe. That puts them through 2031. And the photo of the week comes from Donald, Independence of the Seas here, unloading some supplies yesterday in Jamaica. Great to see this. Thank you for sending it in, Donald. You can send yours in, photos at cruiseradio.net. All pictures are subject to broadcast. And cruise stocks were down Thursday. Carnival Corporation down 3.7%, 26.14. Royal Caribbean down 3%, 255.76. Norwegian down 2%, 18.56. And Viking down 2.5%, 59.52. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. Here in a very echoey hotel room in Southeast Asia, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great weekend.